I'm Nick de Visser, I'm CEO of Digital Innovation Blue. Digital Innovation Blue is really about building software for businesses. So we build business applications to help businesses move forward in a lot of areas, but you could say the common denominator of the kind of problems that we help companies to tackle, it's basically around customer experience or people experience. We help to change business models, change operating models through digital tools, to use software to really change businesses, how they operate and how they communicate with customers.
So the Liberty platform is a good choice for us because the kind of business that we're in, the customer is gonna throw any kind of problem at us. And all of these things are business capabilities that are not easy to realize. So you have to have a platform that can essentially do it all. Case management, data maintenance, API connectivity. It has to be like one toolbox that has it all.
DI Blue are unique because they know exactly where they're trying to go and they're moving really quickly and they're very strategically aligned to using the platform to get them there. So it's wonderful to see because we're seeing the speed of change being absolutely dramatic.
These guys are really into working out how to use new technologies to do some really quite creative things. And some of the things they've done with our technology have surprised even us.
First of all, I think it's important to say that in the past we have been working with several partners in the software space. Big platforms as well as smaller ones. And what for me is really making the difference is the people behind the product. The product is amazing, right? The product is just fantastic. I've never seen a better product. The difference here is being made by the people and the company around it.
So in my dealings with DI Blue, one of the most impressive things for me remains that any barriers they may be hitting, they overcome. So there's no struggle, there's no 5 questions. It is we see there's something here, let's go across it, let's push it, let's put more theming on, let's make this project more than we thought it was going to be.
Working with the Partner Success Manager has been absolutely amazing. We cannot really compare it to anything we've experienced before. She is our lead into all of the core team of Netcall. She gets all the right people involved, and we haven't ever had such a direct line into our partner company. So that was amazing for us. It's beyond comparison with what we used to have.
Last year we won the App of the Year award from Netcall. And we got that award for an application that we built for a company called First Climate.
When DI Blue won the App of the Year award, it was, of course I was elated, but I was not surprised.
Basically what they do is they give you the possibility to buy certificates from them to compensate or neutralize your carbon emission footprint.
DI Blue have used our Liberty Create platform and absolutely pushed its boundaries in terms of theming, in terms of capability. It has a beautiful front end, it has a multilingual capability, there's an e-commerce part to it, there's integrations to external platforms.
In the old days, until last year, this was a very archaic process, very manual. And basically what we did with Netcall is we automated, let's say 90% of that process in a kind of an e-commerce manner. So we built a platform very quickly, in a couple of months, that was completely configured to that specific way of working and that business model and business process that First Climate is offering.
And there's also a cultural fit between our businesses. We both like to disrupt. We both like to go in and challenge. And we both like to use the kind of tools and technologies and the experiences that we have to really try and make a difference and change things. And actually, a lot of what they've done is fed back into us as a business. And it's actually changed some of our thinking about how we do things.
They are allowing us to change our business into something else, to make the shift from a consulting company into, let's say, a company that is more focused on delivering, solutions, products. And to be allowed to do this, to have a more stabilized business and focus on products more than on, let's say, consulting hours, that's amazing. That's a real gift.
They have very aggressive growth plans for their business, and they really want to put leading edge technologies at the heart of that growth plan. And actually, the places they're trying to go are a really nice fit for what we do.
thinking about the business potential of Netcall and DI Blue, I think it's about, well, actually the plans that we have, it's really about conquering at least the European market together with them.
So from an initial individual project through to winning App of the Year to now working together on multiple projects, the relationship's going from strength to strength, and I can just see DI Blue being incredibly successful, and it's exciting to see where they're going.